We are privileged to have with us M.V. Rajeshwar Rao, CEO, Kodai, Andhra Pradesh, at this CEO evening of the Indo-Global Healthcare Summit and Expo 2014. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, I would like to ask you, since this particular Summit and Expo 2014, this has tried to bring all the entities of the healthcare fraternity under one banner. We have more than 100 years of cumulative research work. We have doctors, professors, researchers. So what do you expect? What are your expectations out of this particular summit, sir? Please.
First of all, when we talk of a global summit, it's important that India, as an emerging economy, really focuses on the global arena. And today, Hyderabad, India, of course, is very well known for the healthcare systems, and particularly highly developed technologies are being introduced into the healthcare system. You know, our hospitals are really having high technologies. So what is important? Well, important is how do we bring India into the global area? Now, can we? There are many ways, IT, many people say India is known for IT. Why not healthcare be known for, health systems and, treatment, care, medical tourism? All these are very, very important, and India can offer a affordable, medical treatment to anybody in the world. And it is gaining importance. The kind of technologies that are adopted by most of our, the well-known doctors and the medical professionals is, top class. Therefore, we are no way, inferior to anybody in the world. Now, but how do we let these people know across the world? The best way to let them know is through such summits. Summits will give a platform where, eminent, the specialists and professionals in the medical area will be coming together and speaking to each other. They will talk to each other, the developments that are taking place. If the developments are of a contemporary nature, of the nature where, the highest class of technology is used, the expertise is used, is also being used in India. And most of our professionals got trained abroad also. They have come back. They have set up their own hospitals with, the standards which are no more inferior to the world standards. But what is all that is required is India should be known to the world. And India can only be known to the world if we bring the world-class experts into India in such summits, and they interact with, the pharmaceutical companies, medical professionals, and hospital chief executives, and also, people who supply a lot of equipment, medical equipment. These people will then get an idea as to what is the level of technological improvements, advances that are taking place, and the professional expertise that is happening there, and the kind of surgeons that we have, their skills, their skill sets are very, very important, and their diagnostic skills. All this will inspire a certain amount of confidence in the global, the market for medical or healthcare requirements. I think, therefore, from that angle, I would say that this is a very, very noble, experiment, and is a good one. It is a great initiative, and Mr. Anamolu is really, putting together so many experts, drawing from all over the world, and I'm told about 90 experts are going to come from abroad, and about 150 people across the country. And there will be a lot of other people who will exhibit their their technologies, their equipment, and all these things really promote India as a healthcare, affordable healthcare destination. So from that angle, I think this is a great experiment. Thank you.